Well, I was gonna hook up my water truck today, but apparently this old girl does not want to start. So that means I'm probably gonna have to go get a battery jumper cables, or a battery charger, because yeah, come on, got it, hit run. So we're gonna go across the road here, hook up to my water trailer, get it ready to go. Again, probably have to put some water in it because tomorrow I'm intending on spraying something. Whether I'll be able to or not, we'll see. Hopefully we can get going and get some more done. That's my intentions, is to try to get as much done as I can. Remember to check out these sunglasses though. Link in the description below. So I got it hooked up, got it hooked up, ready to go. Besides the fact of the matter, it doesn't have water in it because I don't want it to freeze if it gets cold again overnight. All I gotta do is take off some of my boxes. Oh, why did it have to snow? Oh. So it's still a little bit chilly, but it's not bad. I got a tank of, I think this is MSO. I got a tank of MSO here I got to put on the truck. That'll probably have to happen tomorrow because it's a little bit wet. As you can see, it's kind of separated. Basically what that means is it's just layering out chemicals. So you can see one's darker there than that. And it's got some white stuff down there. So all you gotta really do is just kind of shake it around on the forklift and it'll come out of it pretty quick. No-till coulters, we got them from a guy up north. Found them on Facebook. Watches us, thank you. Put them on the planter this year. But when you're putting thousands of acres on the corn planter, you gotta really watch these no-till coulters on the front. As you can see, these are getting to be a little bit old, so they definitely need replaced. I found them online for a decent price. We went and got them, and we're gonna put them on this winter, hopefully. Yeah, as you can see, they're a little bit worn, but I haven't went and looked for dry ground yet. That's kind of my next plan, is to go look and see if we got any dry ground that I'll be able to do, which with the snow melting, I don't know if that's even possible. So now what I'm doing is I brought the haggie across the road here. I'm going to unfold it and make sure that we got all the water out of the booms. We think we did the other day whenever we finished up spraying, but we're gonna make sure we got it all out. And then we're gonna put antifreeze through the booms to keep it from freezing over winter, and that way we don't have to keep it inside the heated shop in the way of everything. The John Deere sprayer will be fine for now. We'll leave it in the old shop. Not much room in there. We really don't do much in there anymore anyways. So kind of a good thing to do, good thing to do for this one. We can leave mine, the John Deere, ready to go. So then that way if it does get warmed up or whatever, we can go ahead and spray some more. Or, well, it's gonna warm up, so we're gonna spray some more. That's the plans right now at least, but in the meantime, we're unfolding like a dog. Then we also are going to run this thing over and make sure that it doesn't have any cracks in the booms or anything like that, just to, you can never be too sure. So that's just kind of some of the things that we got to do for this thing to prepare it for winter and make sure it's ready to go. So then that way we don't have to worry about it over winter freezing. We don't have to worry about next year being broke whenever we need to use it right away. All that stuff, we got to make sure that it's ready to go. So then that way whenever it warms up, we can go. Now what I just did is I just purged the boom with air. Basically just pushing air through the nozzles. That'll blow out a majority of the stuff that we need to get out. Then that way we don't have to worry about it. Should be about done. It's done now. It'll do it again here in a minute. And then it should be pretty well out of water. And then I'll go out here and I'll take the nozzles out. Or not the nozzles, I'll take the screws out on the bottom of these agitation filters and stuff. So yeah. So all that is it's just blowing air through there to blow it out. Individual section purge is next, or it should be doing it at least. And then it'll say completed. You can kind of see the screen I'm looking at right there. But yeah, it's just small stuff like that. You gotta make sure it's blown out properly, make sure it's ready to go to be put in to be winterized, so then you don't got any water sitting in it. You want to get as much water out of it as you can, because if you have water sitting in it, that is not good. Then you'll have broken fittings everywhere, and I've done it before and it sucks. It just sucks. There's no doubt about that. It just sucks. We spent a lot of time and money trying to fix mine whenever it happened. It got real cold overnight and they didn't expect it, and it went from 30 degrees to like 18 degrees as the low, and yeah, kind of screwed us over, but there ain't nothing we can do about it. So there's 9 sections on this boom, meaning that there is 9 of these filters. These are agitation filters. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go through here and check all 9 of these, make sure that there ain't no water in them, because this is where a lot of your water is going to sit at and freeze. So I got 9 of these to do. There's only 2 on this back side of the boom, and then the rest of them are all on the front. I think that's right, at least. I might be wrong, but I think that's right. I don't really mess with this sprayer much. Ah, there's 2 more here. So then the rest of them are all on the center boom. See, and you just take these out. You gotta go through and take all of them out. Make sure that no water comes out. There's gunk in there, obviously, so we'll have to, probably wouldn't be a bad idea to take all these filters off, which generally we do. Take them all off and redo them, or rinse them out, clean them out, all that stuff. So then now that I've taken them all off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bottom cap off here, use my fancy dancy Leatherman, take that cap off. That will allow what's sitting in the bottom of that out, because water flows with gravity, so therefore gravity with water means that water will sit at the lowest point in every system, and this is at the lowest point. You can't get this little bit of water out that's here because of where it is. I've done it before, and I froze the haggie solid on this bottom part here. So it's best to check it, make sure that it's all going to work right. Probably can't see me, all you can probably see is my chest, but now the last place I have to check is in the little folding mechanism thing here. Gotta take, where's it at? There's a plug down here, see right there. So you take that out, there's water in there. That's a good thing I checked that. You gotta take that plug out, let that all drain out. Just water. We flushed them out with water before we do this stuff. So yeah, you just gotta kind of let the water drain out of it. It drains out usually pretty quick. So then I checked in here. There's a little bit of water in there, but I'm gonna go in the shop to get rid of that. Probably won't be able to get the rest of this done today. Probably have to wait till tomorrow. And then probably go ahead and shove some antifreeze through it, get it going again, or get it put in the shop, or put up in the shed down south where we don't have to worry about it. Also got to dump out this tank. This is your fresh water, it's already dumped, so that shouldn't be an issue. Well, I just got here and there is literally no one here. Usually this place is always booming with activity. So that means it's either A, deer season, or B, everybody just quit. I'm gonna go with deer season. But everybody went hunting this morning, I guess. I don't know, it's Saturday morning, so it's opening day for gun season. So they all probably got up and went. Xavier's here, he's gonna go work ground here after a bit. I'm gonna go up to John Deere real quick and see what the, whatchamacallit looks like. See if they got that high-speed disc done yet or not, but they was working on it, having issues with it. So hopefully they got it done. If they did, then we'll go run it too for a bit. But yeah, it's kind of odd no one being here. It's actually very odd. Like there's not even vehicles outside. Xavier's down here now. He's gonna go work ground. He's in the DMI ripper. You guys haven't seen much of it yet, but he's gonna run it for a while, get some stuff done, and then he's going to go home. But yeah, it's just small stuff today, just small stuff. I'm gonna go home, winterize the haggie now, I think. If I get around to it. I might not get around to it today. We'll have to see. So now what I'm doing is I'm down here with some of our neighbors that we're pretty friendly with, and I'm flying my drone and stuff around them. They got 3 combines out here. They got 2 case combines. I'm not sure on the numbers on them. And then they also got a new Holland combine. They also got this Brent 1596 and a 620 RX on it. They got a bunch of semis, and yeah, they farm down by us. So I don't know, I figured I'd give them a call and see if they'd let me fly my drone, and they said yeah, so that's what we're doing.
winterize the haggie, so that's probably going to be upcoming. But I went down there and messed around with them for a little bit and hung out with them. They're a bunch of nice people, so hope you guys enjoyed that drone footage. That's probably going to be all for today's video. A little bit shorter of one, so remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and tell me what you think about doing stuff like this, going out and seeing other farmers in our area and seeing how they work. Yeah, anyways guys, I guess we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.